by Brantley Gilbert. This one's called Hard Days. Beautifully played song and sung. I like this one. It's in the key of, well, we're going to play it in the key of G sharp, but I'm capoed up here, so I'll call out the chords as they look. So you got your G chord. And by the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. We're having a lot of fun doing it, and hit me up if you got a request or whatever, a comment. So this one starts out with a G chord. C, G, D. There's a little lick there. I'll do it slow. So you got an open G string, second fret, second finger, open B. Country lick. C, G, D. I'll do that one more time for you. Okay, that's your intro. Then the verse form, it's an E minor, it does a little climb. So it's E minor, it's D with an F sharp, so it goes like, and then D with an F sharp, looks like that. So it's just like a D chord down here, and you can take your second finger and rest it on this F sharp position. See that a lot in these kind of songs. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Verse, E minor, D, G, C, D, G, D, C, E minor, D, G, D, C. Stay there. Verse, E minor, D, G. C, D, E minor, D, G, C, chorus, G, D, C, E minor, days. Now, I wanted to show you a couple of cool things about that. I noticed that he's making a couple of great moves. Like when he empties out on that last chorus. Does little hammer-ons. And when he ends the song, and he does this several times during the song, he slides up from the C to the D, goes. So if you don't know that form of D, I'm going to show it to you right now, because it happens in his song a bunch of times. He's doing a little picking on the chorus. He goes to the C, and then he goes, and then doubles up on the chorus. G to D. He does a long C. Several times during the song, so you might want to pick up on that. It's just a C chord, right? And then move it up 2 frets, but slide it. And when you let that G note ring, it gets a really great, beautiful. So that's just an easy strumming, like beautifully written song. It's a new one by Brantley Gilbert. I love the country boys, man, and girls too. I love country music because, you know, like they say, 3 chords and the truth. But I like the feel and the kind of country soul that comes out in a song like this. So, hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.